Hey y'all, it's Dave with Master Germ and Odor Removal. I am here in a curry house. It is a casita that someone cooked curry in for 7 months, so not a very long time, but we did a lot of cleaning as usual. Cleaned the tops of all the cabinets. That was the big job. Of course, cleaned the stove, cleaning the alcove right there. I turned off the gas since it doesn't need to be on right now. But when you're cleaning, I mean, the undersides of that, we work from the top down. So let's start at the top. Up top, we use a scraper. I just made another video earlier today scraping the tops of those cabinets. So they're really oily. And that's not just curry, that's just life. When you're cooking anything with oil in it is going to have that. Curry uses turmeric. But if you cook bacon and all that, we are not replacing this microwave. We're not recommending to because it is a month old, and I reached up inside this filter cavity and it is dry as a bone. No oil in there. That's usually where all the oil hides. So that's good, but we clean inside and outside of the cabinets. And when I mean inside and outside, I mean like we clean here and here and here, and you got to get this little lip that's right under here. So let me do the whole thing. Like, so do this edge, and that edge, and that, and the same on the sides, all the way around. And then we do the whole face. We do the cabinet. We concentrate on the bottom. This is really dirty right here. That was a hard one. And then, of course, around the carcass, around the cabinet, the whole thing. So then we're leaving it open, so the gas will go in there and do that. Then we start working our way down. We do the underside of the cabinets, and then we do the wall, and then we do the cutouts for the appliances. Same thing with the fridge, and we clean the fridge and the walls, or the sides of the fridge, and then the alcove, and all the way down to the floor. And we clean the floor really well. And so we're just getting rid of every bit of oil that we can. And then, of course, did it over on this side. So we're ready to start gassing off. Normally, most people would probably use just one system. I'm using 3. I thought about just doing 2 because it's going to be pretty overwhelming with 3 going, but I'll show you why. I've got one here in the kitchen, and then I'm going to have an air mover blowing right across. And so it's going to be here, and that will blow the heavy chlorine dioxide up and around and just be in a big loop in here. I've got another system by this front door, and it's running, and that will be, will fill out into this floor, and then that fan will just kind of keep moving it around. And so I was a little bit worried because the curry odor is really strong right in that corner, much more than the kitchen now because I didn't clean in there. So I was a little bit concerned. That's where the heavy odor is. And then all of her laundry for the woman who lived here, I would assume, is in the closet. So we've got a system in there that's right in the doorway, and it will do the whole room. Fan is moving air. Of course, I will turn off, not that one, the big light. It doesn't need to have a halogen light on. I'll just have a little lamp here in the closet light, just in case there's emergency responders for some reason coming in here. And then around here, we've got cabinets open. This cabinet we did not open because it's filled with high VOC things. So dryer sheets, laundry detergent, Febreze, all that stuff. Both cabinets have stuff with a lot of VOCs, and so why waste our time, trying to get rid of the odor out of something that's supposed to have an odor, and it doesn't smell like curry there anyways. So anyways, bathroom is ready to go. The cabinet is open, and then these washers have a little detent here, so you can air your dryer or your washer out. I stuck my nose in there, stuck my whole head in there. It doesn't smell bad. This is maybe the best maintained front loader there is. It smells great, and so I put it on the little detent. That is where they leave it as well, I think. And that is just going to let a little bit in there. This usually goes in the kitchen, but it is there for now because I really wanted these porous countertops to be treated really well. So across the way, it's not as big a deal. And when you're cleaning the cabinets, you can see there was not nearly as much oil over there. So I'm not worried about that stuff piled on, but really do want to get this treated well, and then the drawers out so that it can do its thing. So Anyways, we are ready to go. I go overkill because that's me. Most guys would use one system, and then in Phoenix, we're very dry. And so I up our usage. It seems that our humid climate brethren sometimes need a lot less. So anyways, super cute Airbnb. It was a 7-month resident who cooked most meals at home. And it sounds like she was just really a great guest, but we got to get rid of these curry odors now. So we'll gas this off. We'll let it go 16 hours and then come back, air it out. It is going to be strong for a while because we're using, just way too much. But I'd rather use too much than not enough and inconvenience them for another night to redo it all. So, yeah. Anyways, another curry house. It's going to be great. This is super cute. It's going to work out wonderful. And here's a cute thing about Airbnbs, you know, just trying to think of every need. I just saw this when I was cleaning the drawers. They have birthday candles and a little lighter in the drawer for their guests. When I opened the drawer to clean it, I thought, what a nice touch. That is a really nice thing. So anyways, that has nothing to do with odor removal. Yeah, so if I can help, give me a call. I'd love to treat your odor house, your curry house, or smoke, or you know, cigarette or marijuana. My heart goes out to all the people dealing with calamity right now. Southern California is on fire, and it just breaks my heart. We got a fire in Arizona going, and I think there's another one in Colorado. So wildfire season has not been kind. Anyways, prayers that you're safe. So sorry for the massive loss you'll experience. I lived in Southern California a little bit. I went to college there and loved it. So my school is okay, but the Franklin fire just about did it in, and thankfully it was spared. So anyways, my heart goes out to all of you. I do smoke odor removal, so if your house did not get destroyed but just stinks bad, give me a call and I can get out to Southern California in 6 hours, and I'm happy to help out. So well, I didn't know I was going to go that way. Anyways, I've been thinking about it all, obviously, for the last 3 days. So yeah, give me a call if I can help. Talk to you later. Bye.